In this video, I want to give you various shortcuts that have helped me work more efficiently and quickly. These commands come in handy for those of you who prefer quick mouse or keyboard commands over mouse drags and the tabs and ribbon commands. What I'm going to show you are shortcuts for selecting text, creating automatic lines, repeating your last commands, clearing font formats, and also clearing your paragraph format. We'll begin with shortcuts for selecting text. Now, some of these you're probably already familiar with, but I'm going to start at the basics. To select a word, you double-click it. To select a paragraph, you triple-click a word within the paragraph. To select a line of text, click in the left margin. If you want to select multiple lines of text, drag from the left margin to select them. Triple-clicking in the left margin will select the entire document. Ctrl+A will also select the entire document. You can select multiple blocks of text within a document as well. First thing you need to do is select the first block of text. So if I wanted to select the words video throughout this document, I would select the first word by double-clicking on it. Now I'm going to hold down the Control key and go to the next one. And I could continue this until I have everything that I wanted selected. Now from here, I could do formatting to it or whatever I wanted to do with the words. And those are various shortcuts for selecting text. Now I'm going to move on and show you how to do automatic lines within your document. I'm just going to put a line here within my document. Now if I do 3 hyphens and hit the Enter key, it will enter a single line. If I do 3 equal signs and hit Enter, it does a double line, 3 underscores, a bolded line, 3 asterisks, my dashed line. So those are some examples of how to quickly get an automatic line within your document. Now let's move on to repeating your last command. To repeat the last command taken, whether it's inserting a symbol, formatting text, or paragraphs, press the F4 key to repeat it. So for example, if I wanted to take this first paragraph, add a style to it, I could come down to this paragraph, highlight it, hit my F4 key, and it will add the same style to it. The next thing I want to do is show you how to clear font formats. To clear font formats such as font size, bold, underline, font colors, anything like that have been applied to text, all you need to do is select the text and press the Ctrl+Spacebar. So for instance, I've got my bulleted list here. If I wanted to put it back to normal text instead of having it underscore bolded and italicized, I would select it and hit the Ctrl+Spacebar, and it sets it back to normal. There's also a command to clear paragraph formats. Paragraph formats include such things as bullets, numbering, borders, shading, or indenting that have been applied to text. In order to do that, you would select the text. So for instance, if I do not want this bulleted any longer, I would highlight it and hit Ctrl+Q, and it removes the bullet. Those are just some quick shortcuts that have helped me work more efficiently that I thought you might be interested in. They come in handy for those of you who prefer the mouse or the keyboard commands over having to go to the tabs and ribbons to find the commands. We went over shortcuts for selecting text. Remember your double-click, your triple-click, using the left margin, and Ctrl+A. Also creating automatic lines. 3 hyphens for a single line, 3 equal signs for double line, 3 underscores for bold line, and then our 3 asterisks for our boxes. You can repeat your last command using the F4 key. You can clear font formats using the Ctrl+Space key, and also clear paragraph formats using the Ctrl+Q key.